Hey guys, hope you're well. So today we're going to look at LU decomposition using Python, and I'm going to use the same matrix that I used from a previous video using MATLAB. Okay, cool. So on the side note, guys, I'll really appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel. So if you like what you see, please do subscribe. Subscribe, yeah. Okay, so from SymPy import star. Okay, so init printing. Okay, so that's just to get pretty answers, pretty print. Okay, right, so I've got a matrix M, and I will just put in the entries. So 3, 2, 0, and then -1, 0, 0, and 2, 4, -3. Right, so we're going to be doing lower and upper triangular matrices. Okay, so L, U, and that's equal to M.LU decomposition. Okay, so my lower triangular matrix is that, and then the upper triangular matrix is that. So the product of these two matrices will give us matrix M. So this is M, and then L times U. That's that. And then the determinant is -6. So 2/3 times 3, that gives us 2. So then 2 times -3, that's -6. So M dot det. There we are. Cool. So it was just a quick vid on how to do lower and upper triangular matrices. Okay, cool. So if you like what you see again, please do subscribe. And thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye-bye.